Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. An administrator accidentally deleted the boot VM Linux file and must resolve the issue before the server is rebooted. Which of the following commands should the administrator use to identify the correct version of this file? Option A. RPM ka grep kernel. Uname A. Option B. Yum-y update. Shutdown R now. Option C. Cat, etc. CentOS release. RPMUVH, nodeps. Option D. Telenet 1. Restock on RV, boot. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. RPM ka grep kernel, uname A. Question 2. A cloud engineer needs to change the secure remote login port from 22 to 4900. Which of the following files should the engineer modify to change the port number to the desired value? Option A. etc. host. Conf. Option B. etc. hostname. Option C. etc. services. Option D. etc. SSH. SSHD config. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. etc. SSH. SSHD config. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.